was a blast to listen to, and one of the finest pianists on the planet today.
The sound of the instruments has always been really one of my favorite piano sounds.
Kenny is among the greatest improvisers of all time.
So much emotion and thought, but emotion that goes into his playing. It really moves my heart.
Quincy Jones has said of Kenny Werner, perfection, 360 degrees of soul and science in one human being. He is one of the rarest of artists, an absolute original in his playing, composing, and thinking.